Ever wondered how to start your journey as a landlord? What if we told you there's a roadmap to make it a smooth and profitable venture? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of real estate investing with top tips for first-time landlords. We'll explore everything from finding the perfect property to handling maintenance issues without breaking a sweat. Whether you're dreaming of passive income or looking to build a real estate empire, this guide will give you the knowledge you need to get started. Ready to unlock the secrets of successful landlords? Let's jump in. Number 1. Do your research. Before you dive into real estate investing, make sure you're well informed. Research is the cornerstone of any successful investment. Start by asking yourself some critical questions. How much rent do you want to charge? What kind of tenants are you aiming to attract? How much effort are you willing to put into property management? Additionally, familiarize yourself with the different types of investment properties. Single-family homes, multi-family homes, and condos each come with their own set of pros and cons. Once you know what you're looking for, you can start narrowing down your search to properties that fit your criteria. Number 2. Get a good real estate agent. A good real estate agent can be your best ally in the hunt for your first investment property. They save you time and hassle by finding properties that meet your needs and guiding you through the negotiation process. Look for an agent who specializes in investment properties, as they will have a better understanding of the market and what to look for. Number 3. Get a mortgage pre-approval. Before you start looking for a property, it's wise to get a mortgage pre-approval. This step gives you a clear idea of your budget and strengthens your position during negotiations. Different lenders offer various interest rates and fees, so shop around to find the best deal. Number 4. Look for a property in a good location. When choosing an investment property, location is key. Opt for areas with desirable features like good school districts, access to public transportation, and low crime rates. Properties in these locations attract more tenants and maintain their value better over time. A prime location not only ensures higher rental income, but also reduces vacancy periods. Research the neighborhood thoroughly, considering future developments and trends that might impact its appeal. The right location can make your investment more profitable and less stressful in the long run. Number 5. Consider the condition of the property. Evaluating the property's condition is crucial before making a purchase. Properties needing significant repairs can be a financial drain and difficult to finance. Consider the age of major systems like the roof, HVAC, and plumbing. Inspect for any signs of damage or neglect. If you're buying a fixer-upper, accurately estimate repair costs and include them in your budget. Sometimes, paying more for a property in good condition is wiser than dealing with extensive renovations that can delay rental income and increase stress. Number 6. Be prepared to negotiate. Negotiation is a key part of the property buying process. Sellers are often open to negotiation, so don't hesitate to ask for a lower price. Having a mortgage pre-approval can strengthen your bargaining position. Nate Song, founder and CEO of Wall Street Zen, advises, "The most important thing to remember when negotiating is to be prepared. Know what you want and be willing to walk away if you don't get it." The seller will likely be open to negotiation, so don't be afraid to ask for a lower price. Number 7. Get a home inspection. A home inspection is essential before finalizing your property purchase. It helps identify any hidden issues that could become costly problems later. Hire a professional inspector to thoroughly examine the property from the foundation to the roof. An inspection report can reveal structural issues, electrical problems, and other defects. Use this information to negotiate repairs or a better price. Skipping an inspection can lead to unexpected expenses and headaches. An appraisal can also give you an accurate market value, aiding in your investment decision. Number 8. Make sure the property is insured. Proper insurance is vital to protect your investment property. Landlord insurance covers property damage, liability, and lost rental income. It provides a safety net in case of accidents, natural disasters, or tenant issues. Additionally, encourage tenants to get renters insurance to protect their belongings. Review different insurance policies to find the best coverage for your needs. Adequate insurance ensures that unforeseen events don't devastate your finances, giving you peace of mind and protecting your investment's long-term viability. Number 9. Be prepared for maintenance issues. As a landlord, you will inevitably face maintenance issues. From minor repairs like fixing leaky faucets to major problems like replacing a furnace, being prepared is essential. Set aside a maintenance budget to cover these costs without financial stress. Establish a network of reliable contractors and repair services for quick and efficient solutions. Regular property inspections can help you catch issues early before they become major problems. Proper maintenance keeps your tenants happy and preserves the value of your property. Number 10. Know the laws. Understanding landlord-tenant laws is critical to avoid legal issues. These laws vary by state and cover areas like fair housing, security deposits, and eviction procedures. Familiarize yourself with the regulations in your area to ensure compliance. Failure to follow these laws can result in fines and legal disputes. Staying informed about changes in the law is also important. Consider joining a landlord association or consulting with a real estate attorney to stay updated. Knowledge of the laws protects you and your investment. Additional tips. Real estate investing can be a rewarding journey if approached with the right knowledge and preparation. Here are a few additional tips to ensure your success as a first-time landlord. Screen tenants carefully. Thorough tenant screening is essential for minimizing risks like late payments or property damage. Conduct background checks, verify employment, and contact previous landlords for references. A good tenant will have a reliable income, good credit, and a history of paying rent on time. Clear communication of your expectations and lease terms from the start can prevent future issues. By carefully selecting tenants, you protect your property and ensure a steady rental income, making your landlord experience more positive and less stressful. Keep good records. Maintaining detailed records is crucial for managing your rental property efficiently. Keep track of all financial transactions, including rent payments, expenses, and repairs. Document all communication with tenants, including emails, letters, and phone calls. Good record-keeping helps during tax season and provides legal protection in case of disputes. Use property management software or traditional methods like spreadsheets to stay organized. Accurate records give you a clear picture of your property's financial health and streamline your management processes. Build a network. Building a network of professionals and fellow landlords can provide valuable support and insights. Connect with real estate agents, property managers, contractors, and legal advisors. Joining local real estate investment groups or online forums can also be beneficial. Networking helps you stay informed about market trends, find reliable service providers, and share experiences with others. A strong network can offer advice, resources, and solutions to challenges, making your journey as a landlord smoother and more successful. Stay informed. The real estate market is constantly evolving, so staying informed is essential. Keep up to date with market trends, property values, and new laws affecting landlords. Subscribe to industry publications, attend workshops, and participate in online forums. Staying informed helps you make better investment decisions and adapt to changes quickly. Knowledge about market conditions and legal updates ensures you manage your property effectively and maximize your returns. By following these tips and staying diligent, you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful landlord. Real estate investing can offer financial freedom and long-term wealth, but it requires careful planning and management. With the right knowledge and strategy, your real estate dreams can become a reality. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.